Hey guys, it's LeTsHe here. Lenovo sent me the new phone, Legion Duel 2, and yeah, I'm here to review it. Let's hop into it. The first thought, it looks actually really elegant. Can I just... elegant?
Elegant, yeah.
Do you say it actually elegant in English? My first opinion about it, it looks actually really elegant on it. It looks really nice, and like if you open it, it looks just... The first thought of it just looks sick, you know? It looks really good. Yeah, the phone is really big. But is this actually turning instant on if you open it? Oh yeah, it's instant. If you open it, it basically turns on. Yeah, then it just kind of probably get as well a charger of it. There's like way more stuff in it because the box is really huge right now, I can't lie. And this is probably some other cables, but probably like power cable and all the other stuff. So I just boxed out everything, and basically you get two cables. You can plug two cables in. Because the phone actually has two batteries. You can probably like travel with it and the battery is gonna stay for so long. And the idea of it sounds so nice. So you can plug one cable in down here, and probably there's another battery then right next to it. So it's gonna be here. So you have like two cables, you can plug them both in. So that's pretty cool. That's actually sick. So the screen you guys can see, it's huge. It's actually huge. Like I think you can it's like a small tablet, but like it's a phone. And it's probably even better because I think you can see here it has a fan, so it's probably for playing basically. I think you can like play with this one actually really good.
The screen, just some facts about the screen. The screen's at 144 hertz.
144?
Yeah.
What? So basically, I just found out the screen. You guys have to think about it. Yeah, there's some monitors that can't even have that, but this phone has 144 hertz. This phone, like the display is 144 hertz. If you guys think about it, this is a phone, guys. We're talking about a phone right now, yeah? You can literally like play on this and it's gonna feel like a PC. And the crazy part is, you guys need to watch this. If you open the front camera, then there's a camera gonna pop out, look. This is actually crazy. I'm actually can't believe it. This is actually sick. If you wanna play games and you hold the phone like this, it has vibration. It's gonna feel like a controller or something if you play it. You can just play it and it's gonna have vibration. So it's gonna feel really nice if you actually play games. And the phone is literally made for games. I'm just gonna say it again, it has 144 hertz. I'm just saying it. And basically, to make it even more crazy, the I was about to say controller, but it's a phone, guys. It basically has R1 and L1 buttons. So you can see it, it's basically gonna be touch, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it has basically buttons like a controller, you can just play with it, it's crazy. So there's probably players, I don't know, I see a lot of streams where people play PUBG on it, and this is literally made for stuff like this. So thanks again to Lenovo for letting me trying out the phone. Really appreciate it. I'm just gonna do a quick review about it. It has 144 hertz, I'm gonna say it for the fourth time, it's crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the phone myself because it has a front camera that is 44 megapixels. A camera just pops out, it's crazy. I'm definitely gonna try it out. It has two batteries, guys, as well. Keep that in mind, it has two batteries. So I think if you guys gonna travel for a long time, this phone is as well really good for this. So I'm just saying, try it out. Thank you so much, Lenovo, for letting me testing out the phone. It's crazy. I really appreciate it from you guys to send me out, to let me test it out. It's actually such a nice phone. I'm gonna mention it again. I'm just gonna really mention it again for the fourth time. It has 144 hertz, guys. Just saying it. I will definitely try the phone out myself. I will probably get it myself. And yeah, thank you so much, Lenovo.